So good day everyone! Today our group will be discussing Lean Production and Six Sigma. So, two well-known systems that help businesses become faster, better, and more efficient.
But before we get into all of that, let me introduce the members of our group. First, we have the hackers. Myself, Victor Angelo Castro, together with Miss Casey Emeterio. Next are the hustlers, Jimuel Valdez and Bryant John Sanchez, the ones who bring the drive and energy. And of course, the hipsters, John Anthony Tabajen and Aaron Bravo, the creative minds of the team. Together, we are EETech.
So these two are often combined into what we call Lean Six Sigma. So a system that focuses on improving both speed and quality. So I'll start by giving you an overview. So first, Lean Production focuses on removing waste in processes, while Six Sigma, it focuses on reducing the defects and variations. So each of my groupmates will discuss one part of the topic. Let's start with Jimuel, who will explain Lean Production.
Thank you, Ms. Casey. So what is Lean Production? Lean Production is a methodology focused on improving the speed, quality, and efficiency of a business process by removing waste. Or in other words, any activity that doesn't add value to the final product or service. This system originated from the Toyota production system, which was developed by Sakichi Toyoda along with his son Kiichiro Toyoda and engineer Taichi Ono. It was fully implemented in Toyota's operations during the 1950s, and later on, it became a global model for efficient production systems. The main goal of Lean is to do more with less. Less time, less space, less effort, fewer resources, but achieving the same or even better results. It encourages continuous improvement and focuses on maximizing customer value while minimizing waste. For example, imagine in a coffee shop, there are 3 employees who all double-check the order slips before serving them to customers. That's unnecessary duplication of work, a waste of time and manpower. If just one well-trained person handles the checking process efficiently, the operation becomes faster and smoother, and the other staff can focus on making or serving the drink. That's what Lean is all about. Streamlining processes, identifying what truly adds values, and eliminating unnecessary steps to make the workflow more productive and efficient. Now, Anthony will explain the 8 types of waste that Lean aims to eliminate.
Thanks, Jimuel. In Lean Production, we identify 8 kinds of waste or muda in Japanese. These are things that cause delay, extra cost, or insufficiency sa business process. Let's go through each one quickly with example. Number 1, we have transportation. Refers to unnecessary movement of material or document. Example, paglilipat-lipat ng supply between branches even though pwede namang direct delivery. Number 2, we have inventory. Refers to too much stock on hand. Example, pagbili ng 1 year supply of coffee beans kahit pwede namang daily delivery. Number 3, we have motion. Refers to extra movement of people. Example, palaging paglalakad para kumuha ng gamit at ilipat sa workstation. Number 4, we have waiting. Refers to time wasted while waiting for people, material, or approval. Example, hindi makapagsimula kasi hinihintay yung approval ng boss. Number 5, we have overprocessing. Refers to doing too much than what is needed. Example of this, paglalagay ng sobrang decoration sa product kahit hindi naman gusto ng customer. Number 6, we have overproduction. Refers to producing too much product or too early. Example, pagpiprint ng 50 copies of papers kahit 5 lang magbabasa. Number 7, we have defects. This refers to errors or mistakes that need to rework. Example of this, mali ang order. Ang order ng customer mo is soy milk pero yung nailagay mo is regular milk. Skills for number 8. Unutilized talent refers to not using employees' full potential. Example, magaling mag-layout yung employees mo pero binibigyan mo siya ng mga tasks na simple or at basic. So when these ways are reduced, the company will save time, money, and energy. Next, Brian will report and explain one of the main lean tools, the 5S system.
So, let's talk about 5S. So, what is 5S? Ang 5S ay isang Japanese workplace or organization system na ginagamit para mapanatiling malinis, maayos, ligtas, at produktibong kapaligiran sa trabaho mo o paaralan. Galing ito sa salitang Hapon na nagsisimula sa S. Una ay Seiyuri, next Seiton, Seiso, Shiketsu, and Shitsuke. Una is Seiyuri or sort. Pinaghihiwalay ang mga kailangan at hindi na kailangan. Tinatapon ang mga bagay na hindi na magagamit. Halimbawa, kung may siraang tools o papel na hindi na importante, pwede mo na siyang itapon. Next is Seiton or set in orders. Naayos ang mga gamit sa tamang lugar. Dapat madali mo silang makita kapag kailangan mo na. Halimbawa, maglagay ng label sa mga drawer at ayusin ang gamit ayon sa purpose. Next is Seiso or shine. Panatilihing malinis at maliwalas ang kapaligiran. Maglinis araw-araw para maiwasan ang kalat at dumi. Halimbawa, maglinis ng higaan bago at pagkatapos matulog. Next is Shiketsu or standardized. Gawing regular or standard ang ginagawa. Gumawa ng schedule o roles para masundan ang lahat. Halimbawa, magkaroon ka ng checklist cleaning. Last is Shitsuke or sustain. Sanayin ang sarili na gawin ang 5S palagi. Disiplina at consistency ang kailangan para magtagal sa 5S. Ang pinaka-goal ng 5S ay manatiling maayos, malinis at ligtas ang lugar ng trabaho para tumaas ang productivity at kalidad ng trabaho.
Thanks, Brian. The Lean Toolbox includes several tools that supports continuous improvement. Some of the key ones are just-in-time, JIT, production, pull system, and Kanban. Just-in-time, JIT, means producing only what's needed when it's needed. Example, instead of producing 100 sandwiches at once, a cafe prepares them per order para laging fresh at walang sayang. Pull system means the process only starts when there's an actual demand, unlike the push system na gumagawa kahit walang order. Example, a clothing shop only makes new stock kapag may customer orders, not months ahead. Kanban is a visual signal system that helps manage inventory and workflow. Example, color-coded cards or bins used in factories para malaman kung kailan kailangan ng refill. Isa pang example, sa isang auto repair shop kapag maayos ang tools, may label, may specific spot at laging nililinis, mas mabilis ang trabaho at mas kaunti ang pagkakamali. That's a 5S in action. The 5S help build a habit of efficiency and discipline. These tools ensures that production is smooth, flexible, and efficient. Next, Victor will discuss Six Sigma, the quality sides of process of improvement.
Thank you, Mr. Bravo. So now, let's discuss about the Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a data-driven approach that focuses on improving the quality of a process by reducing defects and variations. It started at Motorola in the 1980s, and it actually became popular because of General Electric. The reason for this is General Electric saved around $12 billion using it. The idea is simple. The higher your sigma level, the fewer defects that you have. The Six Sigma process means only 3.4 defects per million opportunities, or 99.99966% defect-free na siya. So, halos perfect na. Six Sigma uses two main methods. The DMAIC, or it means D for define, M for measure, A for analyze, I for improve, and A for control. This process is for existing processes na. So, existing na yung process na yun. And for non-existing process or for new processes, DMADV. D is for define, M is for measure, A is for analyze, D is for design, and V is for verify. Ngayon naman, magbigay tayo ng isang example. For instance, sa isang cellphone factory. Kapag napansin nilang madalas masira ang battery, gagamitin nila ang DMAIC. They'll define the issue first, measure how often it happens, analyze why, improve the design, and control the process para hindi na ito maulit. These tools ensures that production is smooth, flexible, and efficient. And also, when Lean and the Six Sigma are combined, it becomes Lean Six Sigma, a system that improves both speed and the quality.
Thank you, Victor. So to summarize, Lean production and Six Sigma are both designed to improve how businesses operate, but they focus on different things. So Lean removes ways to make the processes faster and more efficient, while Six Sigma, it removes the defects to make it more accurate and high quality. So when combined, they form Lean Six Sigma, which helps companies to produce better results with less waste and fewer errors. So for example, think of a fast food chain. Using Lean, they organize their kitchen for speed. Using Six Sigma, they make sure every burger has the same quality and taste. That's Lean Six Sigma in real life. So in short, it's about creating a culture of continuous improvement where everyone works smarter, not harder. So that's all. Thank you, and that concludes our report.